Now let's talk about date and time formulas in Excel. First, we have the day formula. So what we do here is we just place in the day of this date. So what it gives you is the day of the date that you have specified. So for example, this is the 15th of March 2016. So if you pass this value to the day formula, it will give you the day, which is 15. So let's try it out over here. Day. And then the value, and it will give you 15. Next is the R formula. So we just give it an R of this specific time, and it will give you the R of this one. So for example, we have 12:59, like pass R over here, and the cell, and it will give you 12. So let's try it out. R, and we select this cell, and it will give you 12. Next is minute. So this is similar to R. So instead of giving you the R, it will give you the minute of the time that you specified. So again, we're using 12:59. We pass in minute, and then we give it the cell, and it gives you 59. So let's try it out. Minute, and then click the cell, and you get 59. Okay, so next is month. Month, on the other hand, you give it the date, and it will give you the numerical value of the month. So we have March 15 again. Then pass in month, paste the formula, and get the cell value, and it will give you 3. So let's try it out over here. Month, and you get 3 as well. Okay, network days. This is from this date and to this date. So we're giving a date range over here, and network days will give you a number of working days for the specified range. So for example, we have March 1, 2016 until March 31, 2016, and the number of working days between the two dates is 23. So we give the start date, and then followed by the end date. So we have the start date and the end date. So if we select this one, network days, and give it the start date, followed by the end date, and it will give you 23 working days. Next is now. Now what it gives you is the date for today and also the time right now. So it's fairly straightforward. It's just a formula, and you don't need to pass anything to it, like doesn't need anything. So type in now. It gives me the date today and also the time. Second is you give it the time, and what it does for you, it gets the second portion of the time. So again, we have this example over here, 12:59 and 55 seconds. So we call the formula of second, pass this value, A2, and it gives you 55. So let's try it out. Second, pass in this one, and it gives you 55 seconds. Next function is today. Today is similar to now. The only difference is it's more focused on the date portion. So we just call the formula today. No need to pass anything, and it gives you the date today. So type in today. It gives me March 17, 2015. So this is actually the day of my recording. Next is weekday. So weekday is, it gives you a numerical value, which is the day of the week for a given date. So 1 signifies Sunday, and up to 7, which is Saturday. So you just call this formula and pass in a date, and it will give you the numerical value of the weekday. So we have March 15, 2015, and this is actually Sunday. So what I just did is call the weekday formula, pass in the value, and it gives you 1 for Sunday. So let's try it out. Weekday, pass the value for the date, and it gives you 1. Next is year. So year is you just give it a date again, and what it gives you, the year portion of the date. So we have March 15, 2015, check the formula. We have year, and we just pass in the value, and it gives you 2015. So let's type in year, pass in the date, and it gives you 2015.